Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix this type of error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that type a device manager, open a device manager, select a display adapter and expand it. Select any display or graphic driver, right click, update the driver, select a search automatically from driver. After that, close it and close it. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator, click on yes button and type a command is chkdsk space slash f space slash x space dot c dot column. Press enter. After doing this step, type a command, type is a y is a yes, press enter, and after doing this step, type a exit and click on exit the command. Right click and restart your computer, and after when you restart your computer, it's required of a few minutes to check the problems. The third method is that type a command search box and type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this, type a command sfc space slash scan now and press enter. When you click on a type a command, and the verification process will be started, and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space restore health and press enter. After doing this that the further processing will be started, and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. So after completing that, type a exit command to exit the command prompt and restart your computer. The last method is the fourth method is that if your problem is still, then you can go to your any search engine and type a download Windows 10. Click on a first link is download Windows 10 disk image. Scroll down, click on a download tool now. Open it, right click, run as administrator. click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started, and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, your computer automatically restarts and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.